What's up? And today, the reason why I haven't uploaded is, it's not because I don't have any ideas. It's actually because I'm actually got a running nose and a cough. I'm actually sick today. So yeah, whenever I get better, I'll be uploading, like I said in the volcano update video. So yeah. This was the reason why, and thank you for 103 subscribers also, by the way. If you're wondering why my Wi-Fi is bad, it's because I'm at my grandparents' house, and yeah, and the reason why I have everyone muted is because I had to do this intro. So yeah. I'm gonna go and mute everyone real quick. Let me go and mute everyone. Alright, everyone's unmuted. Hey, hey, Yellow. Yellow.
But what's
Yellow.
his username?
My username?
No, what's his username for his YouTube
What's your
channel?
name in IRL? What's your name IRL?
My YouTube channel, CartoonCat56VR. That's my YouTube
What's your
channel.
real-
That I cannot say.
What's your real name, Blue?
If you could have what?
That I cannot say.
How much shiny rocks do I
Who
have?
said blue? Literally in my name. Who said blue? Who said blue? I missed the blue.
You're Mr. Blue?
Yes, my name is
Alright.
Mr. Blue.
Well, what do you guys have to say to
I'm
YouTube?
already recording right now, so.
What do you guys have to say to YouTube? Yellow, what do you have to say to YouTube?
Hey, have a good day.